Welcome to another edition of AIM's Weekly News Roundup. I am Shantanu and I'll take you through everything that is making news in the world of technology. Alphabet has announced that it is shutting down Loon, a company which uses machine learning to provide internet from balloons to remote areas. Last month, Loon reported that their deep RL solutions are an alternative to the conventional approach, where the automated systems follow fixed procedures artisanally crafted by engineers. Loon has made a number of important technical contributions. This includes creating communications payloads that can connect from the stratosphere to many types of devices on the ground, from mobile phones to sailing ships to smart sprinklers, possibly paving the way for more options in unlocking the full potential of Internet of Things. Alastair Westgarth, CEO of Loon, said that developing radical new technology is inherently risky, but that doesn't make breaking this news any easier. Today I am sad to share that Loon will be winding down. Moving on to the other news concerning Google. Google last Friday notified the Australian government that they will abandon service in their country if the pay-to-publisher law were to be passed without any changes. For over a year now, the Australian government has been making efforts to make the tech companies pay content creators. Publishers worldwide have long sought compensation from Google and Facebook, which have benefited from the links of articles written by various publishers. Like Google, Facebook too warned that it would restrict Australian users from sharing news articles on its platform. Though Google has announced initiatives to support individual publishers, the latest warning puts them in a tough spot as the company battles antitrust suits in the US and the European Union. Cruise and General Motors have announced that they are entering into a long-term strategic relationship with Microsoft to accelerate commercialization of self-driving vehicles. The companies will bring together their software and hardware engineering excellence, cloud computing capabilities, manufacturing know-how, and partner ecosystem to transform transportation to create a safer, cleaner, and more accessible world for everyone. Cruise will leverage Microsoft's Azure to commercialize its unique autonomous vehicle solutions at scale. Microsoft, as Cruise's preferred cloud provider, will also tap into Cruise's deep industry expertise to enhance its customer-driven product innovation and serve transportation companies across the globe through their continued investment in Azure. According to Microsoft, it will join General Motors, Honda, and institutional investors in a combined new equity investment of more than $2 billion in Cruise, bringing the post-money valuation of Cruise to $30 billion. In addition, General Motors will work with Microsoft as its preferred cloud provider to accelerate its digitization initiatives, including collaboration, storage, artificial intelligence, and machine learning capabilities. The researchers at IBM have devised a new method to tap into the infinite capabilities of quantum computers by using the least amount of qubits. The researchers have demonstrated that the properties of paradigmatic molecules such as hydrogen fluoride can be calculated with a higher degree of accuracy on today's small quantum computers. Automaker Daimler has much to gain from this experiment as it is working alongside IBM to leverage quantum computers to find suitable material combinations for its electric car batteries. Of course, we are finishing today's news roundup with Elon Musk and SpaceX. According to reports, SpaceX has bought 2 deep-water oil rigs for $3.5 million each to build floating launch pads for their enormous Starship rockets that will take people to Moon, Mars, and even hypersonic travel around the Earth. The rigs called Deimos and Phobos, named after the 2 moons of Mars, are in the port of Brownsville near SpaceX Starship Development Facility in Texas. The pair of rigs was purchased in July 2020 by Lone Star Mineral Development, which was registered in the name of SpaceX CFO Brett Johnson. So that is all the news from this week. I am Shantanu signing off. Please subscribe to AIM's YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so you never miss any other update.